DyD is a brand with more than 20 years dedicated to the manufacture, repair and maintenance of machinery for quarrying. Guided with a clear objective to increase the productivity of companies dedicated to the extraction of a stone quarry. Thanks to the effort for innovation, has designed a wide range of practical and functional machines which significantly speed up the extraction process, and that is why today we could say that it is the only brand that produces virtually all the machinery necessary for the removal of the stone quarry. Since the tool carried equipment for loaders to cutting lines to the square of blocks, diamond cable cutting machines, drilling machines, multiple drilling machines, hydraulic pusher arms and hydraulic lifters. Today their machines are commercialized domestically and internationally, having exported products to countries like Greece, India, Turkey or Macedonia. The tool carrier plate brings to the loader a great functionality because it allows working with a lot of tools, not only with the bucket of origin of the machine. They are made for any brand and model of loaders, and its special coupling design allows an adjustment without clearances and respecting with the tops the original range of movements. At the bottom are situated 3 safety pins, which are operated from inside the cab through a selector. The hydraulic lifter, like all the implements, are transported fast and safely as seen in the picture. The drive takes place through the hydraulic system of the loader. With only 2 hoses with fast connection, we can start working. The hydraulic lifter is used for lift masses of stone. Thanks to this implement, can be done comfortably something very complicated previously. Pass the diamond wire across the bottom of the stone benches. Once the desired height, it's placed a wedge under the mass of stone. This enables high enough to pass a guide tube at the bottom and then through this the diamond cable. The stone dragger is very useful to make recesses in ground or open cracks in the quarry face, getting so drawn masses of stone. The design of its shovel, made by high elastic steel, gives it a large drag capacity. The pencil lifter allows to transport large stone blocks with a huge facility. The blades of high elastic steel, as a wedge in the front, gives the advantage of load blocks directly from the ground. These pincers are very useful to make the burden of the blocks in the tracks. The hydraulic pusher arm is used to dump the stone benches once are cut off in the quarry. This implement is very profitable because with no effort for the loader, it can dump an enormous bench in a manner fast and secure. To dump the bench, the front blades are introduced in the cut. Once made, this starts the operation of the blade push from inside the cockpit. As shown in the image, the forward movement of the bench is immediate, thanks to the great power of push. The pusher arm is fit at the bottom of two supports, which are only needed to dump large bench thickness. It is important to say that the blades of push are made of high elastic steel, and the other materials used in these and all the implements of DyD brand are of high strength, providing for all the certificates of quality. The diamond cable cutter machine Model 03 is highly versatile and functional, with transportation system and placement in the point of work quickly and easily. To transport the machine to the point of working has a fast coupling for tool carry plates. This gives very safe, quickly and comfort to this process. It also is equipped with a sling, which allows to turn the machine if necessary and place it anywhere on direction. It is important to note that thanks to the design of the basis of support, it's possible to incline the machine forward and back up to 40% and put it in very uneven terrain. The movements of leveling and alignment to the cuts is made through a cylinder. With this, it is achieved quickly the work position without putting wedges. The drive of the engine of CATs is through a variable speed, which gives us great advantages such as lower power consumption at startup, greater durability of the engine, of the electrical connections and the rubber pulleys, and the most important, to cut all kinds of materials. To make a horizontal cut, it is only necessary to place the additional 2 pulleys rotating in a vertical position, as shown in the video. This supplement can also be used to divert the diamond cable and thereby cuts in any direction. Thanks to this, can be done several cuts without moving the machine. As seen in the video, the transport and placement of the machine at the point of work for a cut is very easy. Also, as shown by the positioning hydraulic system, the process of approximation and leveling is quick and easy. The move of the cutting pulley is continuous. DyD is driven through a variable speed control for the electrical motor, which can be regulated according to the characteristics of the stone. With this is achieved a high performance without force the diamond cable. Another particularity of this machine is that for special cuts of materials, such as granite, through a series of pulleys can cut with sections of 25 meters of diamond cable, instead of the usual sections of 10 meters. Multiple Drilling Model 02 is a very versatile machine because it is equipped with a hydraulic system with multiple movements to place it at the point of work. This machine is capable of drilling in any position, as it takes lateral movements of 180 degrees, cross movements, vertical with range of up to 4.8 meters, and leveling adjustable to the inclination of the field. To prevent dust in the drilling, has a dust collector with automatic blown of its filters, which is placed on the same machine. The assembly of this machine can be done in any type of excavators and loaders. compressor is placed at the rear of the excavator on a bracket bolted to the chassis. This way we get a machine with a total autonomy. The size of the guide of the hammer drill depends on the customer needs. In order to avoid accidental knocks at the guide and to expedite the movement between points of work, has been endowed to the guide a movement of inclination of 90 degrees, getting to put it completely horizontal.